Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge your JBL Live Beam free earbuds and the charging case. So the first method to recharge your case, you can use the wireless charger. So when you close the case with the both earbuds inside and put it on the charging case, you will get this information on the back. As you can see right here. Let me just catch focus on it. As you can see right here, we've got the indicator. It's actually under the sticker and it's actually turns on when you start charging it. When I'm gonna remove from the charger, as you can see, it disappears. So we can use the wireless charger and it takes around 2 hours to fully charge it. Another method that you can use is for sure this power adapter. So as you can see here, I have power adapter from my phone. This is from the Xiaomi phone, and you can also use from your smartphone. If you have like Samsung, Pixel, Apple, whatever, you can for sure use this kind of the adapter. Don't mind about the power of this, it doesn't actually matter. And the cable you can find here in the box, but you can also still use cables from your smartphones. So right here, I've got also cable from my phone, from my Xiaomi smartphone, and it works with my JBL Live Beam 3. You can connect this cable into the PC, into the power supply, like for example this power adapter into game console, or for example even your TV if you have USB-A port or USB-C port. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.